All right, today I have a GMC Sierra and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the cargo lamps on this GMC Sierra. In the vehicle, you need the cargo lamps at nighttime so you can see what's in the cargo when you're loading and unloading. And I'm going to show you how to turn the light on as well as off. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Let's get started. So I'm in the GMC Sierra behind the steering wheel. In order to turn on the cargo lamps, what I'll do is I'll go to the side right here, the side panel. And you see on here, there are some buttons right here. This is for the headlights and this is for the cargo. If I press this, the cargo lamp is enabled with that light, and if I press it again, it is disabled. All right, just like that. On, off. And you can also tell on the instrument panel right here. I'll turn it on, cargo lamps enabled, and then press it again, cargo lamps disabled, just like that. And that is how you turn on and off the cargo lamps, cargo lights in a GMC Sierra. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.